Exercise 5.4 Problem 2 Discussion. Let's read the problem. Find the equations of the straight lines parallel to the coordinate axis and passing through the points minus 5, minus 2. So what's given here? Straight line parallel to coordinate axis. So there is one straight line which is parallel to x-axis, another straight line parallel to y-axis, and passing through the point minus 5 and minus 2. And we are asked to find the equation of that straight line. Okay, given point is minus 5, minus 2, lines parallel to coordinate axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. We need to calculate the equation of the straight line. Formula: y equal to k for line parallel to x-axis, x equal to k for line parallel to y-axis. Okay, so basically what we need to do is that we will take it as y equal to k for line parallel to x-axis and substitute this point, because this is a point on the straight line, so this point should prove the equation. So substitute this point and you'll be able to get the value of k. Similarly for x-axis, for line parallel to y-axis, you'll take x equal to k and substitute the point minus 5, 2 in this equation and get the value of k. Okay. Substitute y coordinate of the point for minus 5, minus 2 in the equation y equal to k and get the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. We know any equation which is parallel to x-axis is y equal to k. But we want to find the value of k, and you are substituting this point, but this point has got x coordinate and y coordinate, but here there is no x coordinate at all in this equation, right? So only we have to substitute the y coordinate. So when you substitute y coordinate, you will get y equal to minus 2. So that is the equation of this straight line. Step 2. Substitute x coordinate of point minus 5, minus 2 in x equal to k and get the equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis. Any line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k. Now you have to substitute this point to get the value of k. But in this equation you have only x coordinate. There is no y coordinate, y term at all here. So in this case you'll have to substitute only the x coordinate of the point, that is minus 5. So x equal to minus 5. So which means minus 5 will be equal to k, or k will be equal to minus 5. So the equation will become x equal to minus 5. That is how you need to do this problem. Please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. Solution: equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis is y equal to k. Substitute the coordinate of the y coordinate of the point. Okay, you can even say coordinates of the point because it doesn't matter, it doesn't have x at all. But to make it clear, we are saying substitute y coordinate of the point. In this equation, we get y equal to, what, y equal to minus 2, right? So y equal to minus 2, right? Y equal to is equal to minus 2. So the equation of the straight line is y equal to minus 2, or y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k, and they say it passes through the point minus 5, 2. So which means this equation will be true for this point. So substitute this point. This point is got only, this equation has got only x coordinate, right? So substitute the x coordinate here, you will get x equal to minus 5. Right? So equation of the straight line is x equal to minus 5, or x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. So I hope I made it clear. Thanks for watching this video.